Chalo bachcha log. So as you all know that today we are going to solve some numericals which will be related to GE. So this is numerical GE numerical solving session 2 for capacitors. Okay, we have already done one of the classes. All right, last class. Chalo. So let us start with the first class of today's class. I have already added this question in the last assignment only. So please try to solve this question if you haven't. If you have already solved it, you can respond to me as the answer. You can respond me the answer. If you haven't solved, please attempt it right now. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से करो. Come on guys. Last class we have already talked about this, how to solve this. So please do that. Tarun, I'm not going to respond to any of your such queries, or Vaishnavi, I'm not going to respond to that. I can't be responding to that kind of queries every time. ठीक है? You can see on the heading. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो. So when the switch will be closed, ठीक है? What will be the amount of heat that will be produced? All right? Try to get the answer for this. So this question exactly similar to the questions that we have solved in the last class. Last class means last numerical solving session. Try to find out what are the charges that will flow through the battery, and try to find out what will be the work done by the battery or on the battery. Then find out what will be the initial energy that will be stored in the capacitor. Find out what is the final energy that will be stored in the capacitor. Then find out the heat. Okay? Find out the heat. Okay? So what is the amount of heat? What is the formula for that? We have already discussed, right, last Saturday. Heat released is nothing but work done by battery minus delta U. So you have to use this formula to get the answer for this. Try to get the answer, guys. Okay, I've got one answer from Mansi, Shreya, Gauri. Chalo, WhatsApp के अलग आंसर्स हैं. Like मानसी का कुछ बड़ा सा नंबर है कुछ. ठीक है, देखते हैं. Let us see. Come on, guys. Please respond. Okay, Mohit has answered. Only 4 of you have answered. सिर्फ 4 लोगों का आंसर आया है. See, if you क्या गजनी हो क्या? याद करो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने क्या किया था सैटरडे को. कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड. अपने टैटूज देखो कहाँ लिखा था आप लोगों ने फॉर्मूला कहाँ लिखा था. Where have you written the approach and all? You'll get to know. So try to remember the approach. ठीक है? It's not actually a formal approach. It's a simple concept, logical thing. Anyway, for the reference, I've already given the formula also. So what you have to do, you have to find the work done by the battery, or whatever it is, work done by the battery, and change in potential energy. You know what you require to find out the work done and change in potential energy. Just try to find those parameters, you'll get the answer. So only 4 of you have responded. उसके अलावा किसी ने respond नहीं किया. This is very bad. That means you're not practicing these questions, or you're not revising the concepts at your home. This is the only conclusion that I can make. Okay, Pratiksha has answered. So 2 answers are matching. Okay, Gauri and Pratiksha, they have given the same answer. Others have given some other answers. But unit of each one of you is wrong. First of all, 2 of you have not given unit at all. But Mohit, Mansi and Pratiksha, you have given unit as joule. Joule will not be the unit. Unit of heat or unit of energy that will be released as heat will be in terms of microjoule. If you remember, it will be in terms of microjoule. Yes, okay. Sonali has answered. Very good. Yes, Pratiksha. Thank you. Very good. चलो देखते हैं क्या करेक्ट आंसर है. So 6-7 of you have answered. बाकी लोगों ने आंसर नहीं किया. Harsha has answered. Good. Atharv has answered. Harshala, not that mj. If you're writing small m into j, sorry, small m and j, this means millijoule. That doesn't mean microjoule. Okay. Okay. Om has answered. चलो देखते हैं, सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है. So we know this formula to find out the heat. All right. तो how, first of all, tell me how do you find this work done? कैसे निकालते हैं? तो this is what work done by the battery. So what will be the work done by the battery? So I'll say Q into delta V. What is delta V? The potential difference that this battery will maintain. What is the potential difference that this battery will maintain? 5 volt. So we have to find what is the charge that will flow across it. What is the charge that will flow across it? If I know that charge, I know the potential difference, I'll find out what is the work done by the battery. Okay. Now, how will I get the value of delta U? Delta U is nothing but final potential energy minus initial potential energy. How will I get what is the final potential energy stored in the capacitor? If I know what is the final charge that has appear on the inner face of the positive plate, right? Initial potential energy. So what is the initial charge that is present on the inner face? That is already given to us, 100 microcoulomb, right? चलो तो find out करते हैं. First, let us find what is UI. So what is the formula बच्चा लोग? Q square by 2C. So what is Q square? तो 100 into 100 divided by 2 into what is this capacitance? 10. तो put the value here 10. तो कितना करेक्ट आंसर मिला? 25, मतलब 500 microjoule. So initially the potential energy stored in the capacitor is 500 microjoule. Now what will be the final potential energy that will be stored? So for that we have to find what is the final charge that will be appearing or that will appear on the inner face or on the plates of capacitor. कैसे निकालेंगे बच्चा लोग? तो देखिए, ध्यान से देखिएगा. So right now what is the charge on this one? 100 coulomb. Tell me what is the potential difference right now across this? What is the potential difference across this? So the potential difference is 10 divided by 10. Q divided by C, 10 volt, right? चलो बहुत बढ़िया. Now when this switch will be closed, initially this switch is open, that means this is an isolated charged capacitor. Now when this switch will be closed, what will happen? Now battery will start functioning, right? What is the primary function of battery? Battery will maintain a constant potential difference. So what is the potential difference of the battery, or what is the potential difference that this battery will maintain? 5 volt. So once you close the switch, what is the potential difference that will be maintained across the capacitor? That will be 5 volt. All right. So tell me what will be the final charge when you switch, when you close the switch, what will be the final charge that will appear on it? So I'll say capacitance C into potential difference across it. What is that? 5. Correct hai? So C into 5. What is C here? 10. So what is the charge that will come finally? You are going to get from 100 microcoulomb to plus 50 microcoulomb, and this negative charge will get, negative plate will get minus 50 microcoulomb. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this point. Last class also we have done it, right? तो कितना मिलेगा? 50 microcoulomb charge on the plate capacitor. Okay. So now can I say I know the value of now Q? So what is the value of UF now? UF will be 50 square, that means 50 into 50, 50 divided by 2 into capacitance, that is 10. Solve करते हैं. यहाँ से cancel. 25, 125 joule. All right, बच्चा लोग. बहुत बढ़िया. Now tell me what will be the work done by the battery? So I'll say, let us find out what is the charge that will flow across the battery. How will I get that? Now, can I say initially if this was having 100 microcoulomb charge and now it is having 50 microcoulomb charge, that means from this plate, 50 microcoulomb charge must have flown across this battery, right? मतलब क्या हुआ? यहाँ से कितना, how much charge will flow through the battery or will come out of this particular plate and flow across the battery? कितना होगा? 100 minus 50. So I'll say 50 microcoulomb charge will flow through the circuit, or 50 microcoulomb charge will flow across the battery. All right, so tell me what is the work done. The first thing you can say, sir, this is a positive charge which is flowing from positive plate to negative plate. That means what will happen, this will do some work on the battery. Or secondly, बहुत आसान तरीका है और क्या, see what is the work done, what is the value of potential. So can I say work done will be written as Q into delta V. This is also work done because delta V is nothing but work done divided by Q, work done per unit charge. So I'll say work done by battery will be equal to what is the charge that will flowing across it and what is the potential difference. So tell me, when the charge will move from this point to this point, what is the potential difference? This is tricky, thoda sa catchy hai yahan pe, theek hai guys. Students used to commit mistake here a lot, theek hai, a lot of you will commit mistake, I'm damn sure about this. Tell me what is the potential difference across this point when the 50 microcoulomb charge will flow from left to right. Tell me what is the potential difference across which this 50 microcoulomb charge is flowing or is moving. It is 5 or minus 5. See, Q तो positive है, क्या put करेंगे 50. What about delta V? Tell me बच्चा लोग, what about delta V? Whether should I put 5 or we should put minus 5? See, I was hoping this answer. Few of you are going for 5, few of you are going for minus 5. That means there is a kind of uncertainty with you, right? क्यों परेशानी है देखो. What is delta V बच्चा लोग? तो किधर से किधर जा रहा है? Charge is going from left to right. So delta V will be potential at this point minus potential at this point, change in potential. So can I say this is having lower potential, this is having higher potential. So if you go from this point to this point, what will be delta V? This will be minus 5 volt. If you go from right to left, what is delta V? It will be plus 5 volt. All right बच्चा लोग, तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, work done by the battery Q into delta V, but delta V will be equal to minus 5. So what is the work done? It will be negative 250 microjoule. What is the significance of this negative sign? That means here battery will not do work, but work will be done on the battery. Here battery will not give energy to the charge, charge will give energy to the battery. That means battery will get charged. Battery will get charged, right? As you can see also, initial energy stored in the capacitor was 500 microjoule. Finally, the capacitor is having only energy of 25 microjoule. That means energy of this capacitor has decreased. All right, energy of this capacitor has decreased. So this capacitor will get discharged and this will get a bit charged. All right, बहुत बढ़िया. देखिए, तो work done कितना मिला? Minus 250 microjoule. Right now let us find out what is the heat then. So work done minus delta U. What is work done बच्चा लोग? तो just now we have found out, calculated minus 250 minus of what is delta U? Final potential energy minus initial potential energy. What is final potential energy? 500. What is initial potential energy? Minus 125. All right, try to calculate it. तो 500 minus 125. Sorry, उल्टा किया मैंने. I have committed mistake here. What is final? That is 125. What is initial? 500. All right, बहुत बढ़िया. देखो इधर. चलो तो 125 minus 500. What is the answer? बताओ बच्चा लोग. 125 minus 500. What is the answer? तो क्वेश्चन चेंज हो जाएगा रोहित. Then I'll not be asking you this question. क्वेश्चन कुछ मैं बताऊंगा मैं. Okay. तो 125 minus 500 is what? 375. All right. Minus 375 minus. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Positive 375. So this will have 375. Positive 375 minus 250. क्या मिलेगा correct answer? Answer would be plus 125 microjoule. All right, guys. That's very good. So there were few of you who got the correct answer. Kiran, Pritish, Bhumika, and I think the first answer was 250. That is not correct. Gauri, well done. तुम्हारा correct answer था. And Pratiksha, you have got the correct answer. Very good, बच्चा. Keep it up. And I think Om has Om का गलत हो गया था. That is 1250. That is incorrect. Yeah. So few of you got the correct answer. Well done, बच्चा लोग. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो तो as we have already discussed about this kind of problems in the previous session also, so I'm not going to solve more number of numericals related to heat generated when this kind of switch will be, or when this kind of arrangement will be there. So now let us move on to some new kind of problems. ठीक है? तो चलो अभी आगे की बात करते हैं हम। अगला सवाल, try to get the answer for this. In normal session, I think on Thursday, we have studied how to find out equivalent capacitance if such arrangements or if plates are arranged like this. I have given you the method, right? But in that class, we have constrained ourselves to 4 plates only. But today we are going to study when 5 plates are there. ठीक है, चलिए बताइए जल्दी से कैसे आंसर करेंगे इसको। Try to get the correct answer for this. You know what to do. ठीक है, please try to revise that. You'll get the answer. Don't worry. This is not any rocket science. You know what to do. Just have confidence. Try to recall the method and try to get the value of C equivalent across A and B. जल्दी करो बच्चा लोग। Come on, guys. See, you should be able to answer this within a minute or maximum like 90 seconds or 100 seconds. You should not take more than that. Okay, I have got bacha, don't tell answer in terms of epsilon naught. You can consider capacitance of each one of them is C. ठीक है, you can consider capacitance of each one of them, or you can say capacitance of each arrangement is C. ठीक है, so write the answer in terms of C. Like we have already discussed about this, right? That is why I have not mentioned in the question specifically because I thought you might remember that. Okay, तो समृद्धि has answered, अथर्वा has answered. Okay, अथर्वा का answer is थोड़ा interesting. Monisha has answered. ठीक है, so 3 of you have answered actually. बाकी लोग जल्दी solve करो, ठीक है? That is not a kind of compliance that you should like hurry, but actually you should be able to get the answer within 2 minutes because you know the approach. And believe me guys, in JEE examination it's very rare chance that you'll get this question. It's very rare that you'll get the question. Why am I saying so? You will get the question like this, but they'll not ask you to find the equivalent capacitance. They will ask you something else. They'll ask you, what is the charge that will appear on this if I connect a battery of 10 volt across AB? Or they might ask you, what is the charge that will appear on the second plate if I connect a battery of 10 volt across AB? So एक step आगे बढ़ के question पूछेगा. That so C equivalent will be an intermediate step. So you should not be spending that much of time to to get the answer for intermediate steps. ठीक है? That is why I'm saying you should be able to solve this within 90 seconds or within 1 minute. Okay, I've got few other answers. Gauri has answered. Tarun has answered. Okay, so there are actually 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 kind of answers I have got. 0, 2C, 3 by 5C, 2C by 3. Very few of you are answering. Come on, bachcha log, jaldi se please solve karo. These questions are very, very important, guys. They might not look very easy to you, क्योंकि formula based question है, but they're very interesting if you know the concept. And believe me, guys, they are like you can say that कि ये lollipop है 2 रुपए का. अगर खाना आता है तो मस्त तुम खा सकते हो, और अगर अच्छे से पकड़ के खाना नहीं आता, if you just not concentrate on the lollipop, it can slip and like it can be wasted. ठीक है, ये बहुत ही आसान है, इससे 4 नंबर आपका पक्का हो सकता है, इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन वाली बात नहीं होती. So please try to get the answer, try to understand, try to recall the concepts. Okay, Chirag has answered, Keetki has answered, Pavitra, Mohit, Adesh, Khushi, Ashrit, Rohit, Venkatesh, very good. Now I'm getting few answers. Now I'm happy. Chalo, theek hai, very good. So 2C by 3, C by 2, 3C by 5. So I can see there's so many of you who are going for 2C by 3. Guys, those who are already attempting it, don't get intimidated by the answers that I'm quoting here. That might be incorrect also. I'm just giving you a trend. Okay, ठीक है. Kushal has answered. Sonali has answered. Aditi. so many of you. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. अब मैं सॉल्व करता हूं. I have given you enough time. Okay. So क्या करना है बच्चा लोग, इसका मुझे capacitance निकालना. We have to find the capacitance of this arrangement. So how we are going to do that? So you know क्या करना है, मुझे एक बैटरी कनेक्ट करते हैं, right? Let us say this is V. So what will I do? I will consider, let me use a white color here. Let us say the potential of A is V. क्या बोला मैंने? This is what? V. Potential of B is laddu. Now यहाँ पे लोग डर जाते हैं. Those who can recall the last class, there we were having a condition there. If this is having V potential, some other plates were also connected with that. So आसान होता था, वो भी V हो जाएगा. But now we are having two plates. They'll have V and 0 as the potential. But what about these? I don't know about that. तो क्या करेंगे? We'll consider. Let us say this is having a potential X. This is having potential X. So what will be the potential of the top one? As it is connected to the fourth plate like this, so this will also have a potential X. Acha. What about this one? This is not connected to anything. So again, I don't know what is the potential of that. So I'll say, let us see the potential of this is what? Y. तो मैंने क्या बोला? ऐसे कुछ conditions मिला. Now tell me how many potential points are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो 4 potential points are there. All right? तो क्या करेंगे? 4 potential points निकाल लो. So let us represent those. This is V. This is X. This one is Y. And this one is 0. ठीक है? You can also write. You can also shift by Y here. Like it all depends on how you want to arrange it. ठीक है? So sometimes if you are going to write like this, you might not get the desired arrangement or the simplified arrangement. So you might have to move this point somewhere else just to have a kind of arrangement. Okay, it's not like they should be in a straight line. There's no any significance of that. We have to just maintain that all the plates have to be given the same potential as we have denoted here, as we have allotted here. Okay, let us talk about the first one, this one. So this capacitor is in between two potential points X and Y. All right. So X और Y के बीच में this first capacitor will be there. All right. X और Y कहाँ पे बच्चा लोग? This one. So between X and Y, let us draw one capacitor. Done. ठीक है? So first capacitor is sorted. Now second one, किसके बीच में बच्चा लोग? तो Y and V के बीच में. तो second capacitor is in between Y and V. Let us draw that. So where is Y? This is Y. This is V. So in between V and Y, let us draw a capacitor. Done. Second one is also done. Let us talk about the third one. First, second. Now this is third one. Third one is in between V and X. So let us draw that. So V, X connected. Third one is also sorted. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fourth one is in between X and 0. Let us draw that. Where is X बच्चा? So this is X. This is 0. So let us draw that. इसको थोड़ा move करता हूँ मैं इधर. So this is X and this one is 0. So this is how the arrangement will look like. Bachalo, click yes if you have understood this. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. Rangoli. It seems like Rangoli. अच्छा. समझ में आया बच्चा लोग? ठीक है? अच्छा. अब बताइए, like how we are going to get the answer for this? Like what are those capacitors which are like connected across, like connected as a series or parallel? See, across which 2 points we have to find the potential capacitance across V and 0, right? तो इनके बीच में मुझे निकालना है. Can I say these two are connected in series? These two are what? Connected in series. All right. बच्चा लोग समझ में आ रहा है? See, why am I saying so? I can also draw this capacitor here also. There will not be any problem. No issue. Issue होगा क्या? Issue होगा. When you are allotting this potential as Y, then there will be issue. But if I consider this as the pura circuit, then I can say this one and this one will be in series. So what will be the equivalent capacitance of these two capacitors? बताओ बच्चा लोग. That will be C by 2. So equivalent capacitance of these two will be C by 2. All right. So I'm going to simplify this further like this. So I'm having a capacitor like this. Then I can replace these two with a single capacitor between these and this point. So इसको ऐसे draw करता हूँ. Now I'm going to draw this one here. Okay. तो ये point से यहाँ है ना. Like this. This is 0. All right. And with this, this is V. This is 0. Now tell me, can I say these two are in parallel? So this is C by 2. This is C and this is C. So these two are what? In parallel. So C plus C by 2. That is 3C by 2. Alright? क्या बच्चा लोग? C and C by 2. So they are parallel. तो क्या लिखेंगे? C plus C by 2. That is 3C by 2. And now these two are in series. Alright? अच्छा, इसका easy method है क्या? Can we have some other arrangement which will not look this complicated? Can we have some other arrangement? बताओ बच्चा लोग. See, I'll tell you. देखो करके दिखाता हूँ. यहाँ से भी आएगा, no problem. कोई issue नहीं आएगा आंसर में. If you have drawn the diagrams correctly, there will not be any problem. इससे भी आसान करता हूँ. देखो, I'm not going to change anything. I'll just consider x and y somewhere here. थोड़ा सा change करूँगा position. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider this is V, this is 0, this is x, and this one is y. Then this condition will look a bit more simpler. Okay, देखो, first one x and y. I'm just giving you the options, the methods or the number of ways you can have. Okay, the arrangement x and y. Draw it. Done. Second one, y and v. All right. Third one, v and x. Fourth one, x and 0. Now tell me which one looks simpler. Now we have to find, this is what? Point A. This is what? B. You don't need these things. What is the potential? I don't need these things. Here is there. No problem. Denote, allot the capacitance. C, C, and C. Tell me which one is better. This one or this one? We have not done anything. I have just moved Y thoda sa upar. That's it. But the capacitance in between, like these two, the potential points are the same. So these are the ways in which you can get the simpler version or simpler circuit. ठीक है, तो मैं क्या करता हूं, इसको अभी देख लो, ये भी तरीका, इससे भी निकल जाएगा, no problem. But this will give you answer in a more simpler way. All right. So this will come with the practice. Okay. तो इसको मैं erase करता हूं, so that the simpler one should be in your notes. ठीक है. So when you are going to revise it, the simpler method or simpler diagram should be in your notes. So that is why I have erased that part. I'm going to copy this one. चलो. Now tell me, क्या होगा correct answer? Just now we have figured out. So this one is what? In series. So this is C by 2. Now C by 2 and C is in parallel. So 3C by 2 and this is with C, that is series. So C equivalent will be equal to 3C by 2 into C divided by 3C by 2 plus C. तो CC cancel हो गया. ठीक है. यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? 3C by 2 divided by 5 by 2. All right. So 2 to cancel. So answer will be 3C by 5. Yeah, so most of you have got the, not most of you, but yeah, 60% of you have got the correct answer. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this. Please click yes if you have understood this. This is V, this was X, this is Y, and this is 0. Just for your reference, I have just again reiterated it. Thank you, bachalo. Now I need your responses. I need your correct answer. Okay? इसमें क्या दिक्कत है? ये तो और आसान हो गया. चलो इसको सॉल्व करो, समझ में आ जाएगा क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Now try to get the correct answer for this question. Already I have mentioned it here. Let me erase this. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर करो. Try to redraw, Pritesh. Try to just redraw. Allot 4 points V, 0, X and Y. कैसे करना है आपको बताया था मैंने इस क्वेश्चन में. In this one I have just considered this is V, this is 0, this is X and Y ऊपर में किया. This kind of arrangement will be there. दोनों से same answer है. Let me delete this page. चलो इसका आंसर करो। हाँ, वो खुद से करो, वो खुद से करो। दो कैपेसिटर सीरीज में रहेगा तो इक्विवेलेंट क्या मिलेगा, C/2। ठीक है, C और C तो C/2, C/2 और C अगर पैरेलल में है तो 3C/2, फिर 3C/2 और C अगर सीरीज में है तो 3C/2 इंटू C डिवाइडेड बाई 3C/2 प्लस C। ठीक है, नो रोहिणी, सॉरी, आई कांट डू दैट, आई कांट डू दैट बच्चा। I have got the same request from Pritish also, few other kids also. I can't be doing that. ठीक है, sorry to say that. There'll not be any problem. I'm going to discuss this question anyway. So you'll get the approach in this question also. चलो बच्चा जल्दी से इसका आंसर करो। ओके, कुशल गौड़ा, वेंकटेश, दर्शन, केतकी, कुशल, या कुशल गौड़ा 2 बार आंसर किया। ओके ठीक है, the same answer. Okay fine, very good. Okay, now there is an uniformity. There is a uniformity. Very good. अथर्व का थोड़ा चेंज हुआ। ओके देखते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम। कम ऑन गाइस, जल्दी से आंसर करो, बिल्कुल भी टफ नहीं है। यू हैव टू फॉलो द सेम अप्रोच। ओके, मोहित का भी कुछ अलग आंसर आया है। विल सी लाइक हु इज गोइंग टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, क्यूरी हैज आंसर्ड, ओम हैज आंसर्ड। बच्चा लोग जल्दी आंसर करो। मानसी हैज आंसर्ड। ओके, so I have got 1 2 3 4 5 types of answers, 6. चलो 6 options I have got. Rohit, Tarun, Gaurav, Sonali, Sanat 0. Are you sure? Aditi has answered. Rachana, Sumit, Khushi, Chinmay. Okay, Atharva has changed his answer. देखते हैं बच्चा, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। Okay, Vani has answered. Very good. Okay, so I think enough for, like most of you have answered already. देखते हैं क्या करेक्ट आंसर। So क्या करना है, assign the potentials. This is V, this is Laddu. So now again not connected to anything, so ये is V, this is 0. So let us consider this is having X as the potential. So it is going to also have the same potential. All right, because they are connected through a conducting wire. I don't know what is the potential for this. Let us consider that is Y. Okay, how many potential points are there? 4. V, X, Y and 0. फिर से वही काम करता हूं। You can also consider like this: V, 0, X and Y, or you can move it ऊपर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, जैसे आसान मिले। Like you have to like go through just hit and try. Whichever gives you answer in a simpler way, you can use that. क्या हो गया, ये आंसर क्यों नहीं दे रहा है? It's not getting erased. Okay, no problem. This is why. So first capacitor is in between X and V. इसके बीच में एक लगाएंगे। Alright, draw it. ठीक है बच्चा लोग। Okay, hang अभी भी है क्या? हाँ, अभी भी है। ठीक है, तो second one between V and Y, between V and Y. All right. अच्छा, third one between Y and 0, between Y and 0. ठीक है, fourth one between 0 and X, तो between 0 and X, and this one is 0. It will look like this. क्या बच्चा लोग, this is C, this is C, this is C and this is C. Correct है? Yes Pritesh, now you got it correct. So now can I say we have to find out potential between this point A and this point B. So for these 2 points, if I consider these 2 points, can I say these 2 capacitors will be in series, same charge, no branching? All right, these 2 capacitors are also in series, same charge will come here, same charge will come here, no branching. So equivalent of these 2 will be C/2, equivalent of these 2 will be C/2, and these 2 are connected in parallel with this. So what is C equivalent? C by 2 plus C by 2, that means C. Yeah, so most of you have got the correct answer. Initial answers were like, I have got, I think, 20 answers initially. Out of that, 17, 18 of you have got the correct answer. So most of you have got the correct answer. I can see Atharva has drawn a triangle. There's no any problem with that. You'll get the same answer. Guys, please click yes if you have got the answer. Please click yes if you have got the answer. Okay. Thank you. बहुत बढ़िया. So 21, 22 of you have got the answer. Yeah, it will happen, Pratish. I knew that. You'll get the idea. Thank you, Bacharo. Now, find out capacitance between A and B here. Now, this is just for the sake of practice. Okay? So, for the sake of practice, I'm giving you this question. Try to get the answer for this. Now, this first one and fourth one is in what? They are connected, and third and fifth are connected. You figure out, Kiran. You can figure out. I'm not going to answer for that. Why should I answer? Struggle karo. Okay? Fight with your concepts. Fight with your misconcepts. Or fight with the concept that I have given. Socho, kyun nahi hoga? Because for that, I don't think you need me. Try to figure out in which condition you are going to get series combination. In which condition you are going to get parallel combination. Get the answer. And when you will get the answer, that will give you more satisfaction rather than like me giving you the answer. Okay? आप खुद find out करो. That is not very tough question. Please do that. Anyway, if you don't get the idea, I'll answer it. But I would suggest, please try to figure it out yourself first. बाकी लोग जल्दी इसको आंसर करो. Okay, I've got answer from Kushal Gowda. So last time also Kushal Gowda has answered for the first time. So this time also he's the first answer. Like he's the one who has answered the earliest. Okay, then Mansi. The same trend is going on, I think. Okay, Mohit. So last time, the last question, the first one to answer was, who was that? Let me go through. Yeah. Yep. So Kushal was there. Yeah. Kushal. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Okay. Now I have got so many answers. That's great. Very good. Kushal, Mansi, Mohit, Venkatesh, Ketki, Atharv, Vani, Pratham, Sonali, Venkatesh, M, Darshan, Adesh. Okay, बहुत सारे हैं. Curie, सब लोगों ने almost. Yeah, that's very good, बच्चा. And I can see uniformity here. Like 5C by 3, 5C by 2. Okay, not uniform at all. Not uniform. I thought of okay, 5C by 3 is the common answer, but so many other answers are also there. 4C by 3, 3C by 2, C. तो बहुत सारे आंसर्स हैं. तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है लोगों ने. Okay, no problem. कुछ गड़बड़ होगा तो सही हो जाएगा. The only thing that matters. Okay, ठीक है. तो देखते हैं. So let me solve this. Okay. So as you know the approach, consider this is V. This one is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. This becomes easy now, right? If I consider this as X. So now this will also be X. Alright? तो ये तो बहुत आसान हो गया है ना? इसमें तो सिर्फ 3 ही potential points आएंगे. So how many potential points are there? 3. So this is V, this is X, and this is Laddu. चलो, तो पहला किसके बीच में? X and V के बीच में. Alright? Wait with this. Wait, मुझे ये solve करने दो पहले. ठीक है? V and X के बीच में. So yeah, you can consider. कुछ भी मान लो रे. तू 0 नहीं मानना चाहता मत मान. See, Pratish is asking, sir, can we consider anyone as 0 or V? मान ले, no problem. Na? Or don't consider V and 0 at all. Consider this is, let's say, 2 volt. This is 3 volt. It is not going to change the answer. Okay? Because you can consider any kind of vector. any battery of any voltage, right? So I am considering a battery has been connected of potential difference V. How does it matter? Okay, देखो, तो second one is in between V and 0. So this is C. This is third one, 0 and X. Fourth one, X and 0 again. All right. So this is C. This is C. बताओ चलो, ये क्या है? Parallel में. So this will give us 2C, है ना? So this will give us 2C. Now this 2C and this C, they are in series, right? तो क्या बचा? ये हो गया 2C and this C, they are in series. So 2C by 3 is the capacitance of this arrangement. These three, 1, 2 and 3. 2C by 3. Okay. माइक को क्या हो गया? बार बार गिर जा रहा है. Okay, fine. So let me repeat it for you. These two are connected in parallel. So this equivalent of these two will be 2C. These two are connected with this capacitance in series. So 2C and C in series, they'll give us the equivalent capacitance as 2C by 3. Don't ask me how did I get it. 2C into C by 2C plus C. ठीक है? क्या मिलेगा? 2C by 3. Now this 2C by 3 and this C is in parallel. So C equivalent will be equal to 2C by 3 plus C. In parallel, C equivalent is C1 plus C2. क्या मिलेगा correct answer? 5C by 3. Sorry, not microfarad. I have not mentioned the units. So this is the answer. So 5C by 3 is the correct answer. अब बताओ कितने लोगों का correct answer आया था? Please click your answers. Click yes if you got this answer only. Please be honest. Okay, हाँ, इतना लोग तो आया था, इतने से ज्यादा आया था. Yeah. So more than 20 of you have got the correct answer. Well done, guys. Keep it up. Very good. जिनसे गलती हुआ है, देख लो क्या गलती किया था आप लोगों ने. ठीक है? Yeah. One thing. Let me bring it out to you. Few of you must be doing this mistake because you have studied in standard 9th in current electricity. Parallel है तो 1 by that and series है तो add करो. So some of you might be doing this. If they are in series, you are adding it. That is wrong here in capacitance. ठीक है? So for C equivalent for capacitors in series, जो हमारा मिलेगा आपको C equivalent वो वैल्यू सीरीज में ऐड नहीं होगा, रेसिप्रोकल ऐड होगा. ठीक है? तो ये गलती प्लीज मत करना. प्लीज फॉलो दिस. ओके? ऑल राइट. नाउ लेट अस एक्चुअली कम टू आवर बिजनेस. वो क्या है? जेई का क्वेश्चन अगर पूछेगा तो क्या पूछेगा? So in JEE, you might get a question where they'll ask you, what is the charge that will appear on this plate? On any of the plate, they can ask you, what is the charge that will appear on any of? They'll ask you, they'll name these plates as X, Y, Z, Ramu, Shamu, kuch bhi. So what is the charge that will appear on this plate, or this, or this, or this, or this? Kuch bhi पूछ सकता है. So I have actually framed a question where I am asking you, find the charge on each faces. यहाँ कितना चार्ज आएगा, यहाँ कितना चार्ज आएगा, यहाँ कितना आएगा, यहाँ कितना, मतलब सारे फेस पे. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो find the charges on all the faces. जल्दी से निकालो. कैसे निकालोगे? दिमाग लगाओ, जितना तुम्हें दिमाग लगाना लगा. Use all the concepts, all the informations of the knowledge you have. ठीक है? And try to get the answer for this. And now one information that I want to share here, that initially all the plates were uncharged. Initially all the plates were uncharged, and then this battery has been connected across A and B. Then find out what is the charge that will come on, like that will appear on each face. हाँ यार, करो, फाइंड आउट करो. फिर 2 फेसेस का तो मालूम चल गया. With this information, you can say for sure what will be the charge that will come here and that will come here. That is the for sure. That the answer is now. I think everybody must know that. First of all, tell me what is the charge that will appear on these 2 faces. बताओ बच्चा लोग, जल्दी बताओ. Yeah, Shreya has answered correct. Keitki correct. Only 2 of you have answered. What is the charge that will appear on these 2 faces? इस वाले पे और इस वाले पे. That is 0. Outer surfaces, outer faces of this plate arrangement will get the charge as will be equal. Like, right? outer faces of the plate arrangement will get equal charges, and the magnitude of that charge will be equal to half of the total charge, right? So what is the total charge initially? There was no any charge on the plate, right? So 0 divided by 2, that means 0. So these two faces will get 0 charge. That is तो पक्का known to us. Now let us, मैं नाम नहीं दूंगा, आप खुद बताओ. You can name this as 1 for the reference so that you can answer it in a clearer way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो Q1 and Q10 तो 0 मिल गया, बाकी का आप आंसर करो. देखते हैं कितने लोग का करेक्ट आंसर आता है और कितने लोग, how many of you actually get the answer? Anything wrong, right, it doesn't matter. I just need your approach, I just need your attempt here, so that you should commit some mistake. तुम्हें मालूम चलना चाहिए क्या गलत आप सोच लेते हो. What are the mistakes or what are the misconceptions that you're having? That will be cleared if you attempt it and if you commit mistake here. If you just don't attempt it, if you rely on me that okay, बहुत टफ है, टीचर तो बताएगा ही, फालतू का क्यों इंक खत्म करना है, पापा का पैसा बचाना है मेरे को, तब तो भैया फिजिक्स तेरे बस की ना है. ठीक है, फिजिक्स तुम्हारे बस की बिल्कुल नहीं है फिर. Ravi Kumar, what happened? चलो, तो none of you have answered. किसी ने आंसर नहीं किया. एक आंसर है, वेरी गुड. अथर्व has answered. माइनस क्यू कहां बचा? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have answered on 6 faces. देखते हैं. C square V तो नहीं मिलेगा, never. आंसर शुड बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ C and V ना. हाँ, एक और चीज जो आप सेल्फ अंडरस्टूड है, each arrangement or each like these capacitors will have the value of capacity as capital C. Okay, but Atharva, that then also you should get minimum 8 values ना. 8 तो मिलना चाहिए ना. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, तो 2 तो मिल गया, तो 8 answers I should get. You have given only 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, Gauri has answered that 5. पहले तुम्हारा गलत हो गया, ये dimensionally the answer is wrong. Okay, Rohit has answered. What is small q, बच्चा? What is small q? I don't have any value of small q ना. Your answer must be in terms of CV. Some constant k into CV, plus or minus. What is q? I have not given q in the question. You don't have that data with you, so you can't quote the answer in terms of small q. If that q is known to you, you can answer it, but I don't know what is small q. What is the value of small q? I don't know anything. I have been given that capacity of each arrangement is C, and the potential difference that has been maintained across AB is V. So you have to answer in terms of that only. I don't know even the dimensions of these two. I just know capacity of these two capacitors. This capacitor is C, 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 C. That's it. Pratish, 3 CV. कहाँ 3 CV? तो उतना आसान तो नहीं है. I have given you enough time here. उतना आसान तो नहीं है जितना आप कुछ लोग सोच के आंसर कर रहे हैं. Okay, total charge. Okay, the total charge that the battery will provide is 3 CV. According to Pratish, the total charge that will be provided by the battery is 3 CV. So that means you are saying that C equivalent of this arrangement is 3C. According to your answer, Pratish, that C equivalent for this arrangement is 3C. चलो देखो मैं सॉल्व करता हूं, ठीक है. तो पहला काम वही करना है. पहला काम क्या करना है? C equivalent निकालना है. Tell me what will be the C equivalent. How do we are going to do that? So this is V. Sorry, this is V. This is 0. Let me use white color for that. This is V. This is 0. So this one is 0. This one is 0. Not this one is 0. This is what? This is 0. This is V. Let's say this is X. So this is going to have X. All right, ये मिल गया ना. अथर्व, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Not at all. बिल्कुल गलत है. चलो अब सर्किट बनाते हैं. This is V. This is 0. and this is x. All right. First one between x and v बनाते हैं. Second one between v and 0. All right. बताऊंगा. चलो, प्रतीश ने अपना आंसर चेंज कर लिया. सोनाली has answered actually comprehensively. Sonali has answered as 5cv by 3. Okay, 2cv by 3, 2cv by 3. आंसर तो तुमने बहुत अच्छे से दिया, but I don't know the values whether they are correct or not. देखते हैं. चलो, the third one is in between. This is first, this is second, this is third. Third is between x and 0. All right. बताओ चलो, fourth किसके बीच में है? Again x and 0. चलो ठीक है. x and v, v and 0, x and 0, then again x and 0. All right. हाँ, तो अगर तुमने गलत डायग्राम बनाया तब तो गलत हो जाएगा. Now tell me what is C equivalent here? What is the value of C equivalent here? ये तो ऐसा किया है हमने, राइट? अभी भी किया था, अभी तो आई थी. देखो एग्जैक्टली सेम फिगर है कि नहीं? नहीं. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली वही है. दिस इज V एंड दिस इज B. एग्जैक्टली सेम फिगर है. तो कितना मिलेगा C इक्विवेलेंट? 5C by 3. अभी ये काम तो हो गया, बट दिस इज नॉट दैट हैज बीन आस्क्ड टू यू. पूछा क्या है? What is the charge that will come on these faces? Now tell me, how do you get the value of charge on a parallel plate capacitor? What are the parameters that you should know? बताओ बच्चा लोग, कौन सा पैरामीटर तुझे चाहिए? How do you get the charge on a capacitor? Yeah, C and V मालूम चाहिए, right? C is the capacitance of the capacitor. What is V? The potential difference across the capacitor. All right. तुम्हें क्या करना है? If you want to find out what is the charge that will come on 2 and 3, because 2 and 3 will get equal and opposite charge, because they're what? Opposite faces, right? So this face and this face will comprise a capacitor. So both of them will get equal and opposite charge. To get that charge, I should know what is the capacitance of this, that is capital C, given to us. And then I have to get what is the potential difference across this. That means I should get what is the value of x. If I get the value of x, I'll say what is the potential difference across it. Once I know the potential difference across this, I'll multiply capacitance of this capacitor. I'll get what is the charge on second and third phase. That's it. Similarly, on fourth and fifth, do I know the capacitance of this? That is sure. I know that. I know the capacitance of this capacitor, that is C. Now, what is the potential difference? So it is given to us actually. There is no any x. तो 4 and 5 का तो आराम से मिल जाएगा. Now tell me what is the potential difference across these two, that is V minus 0. So let me rearrange it. I'm going to copy this figure and I'm going to solve this question on the diagram only. ठीक है, देखो ध्यान से देखना कैसे करेंगे. Let me add a page here. Let me paste it here. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm going to remove this. Once I'll get the value of x, I'll put it here. Now I'm not going to write this 6 and 4 and 3 that has been already given here. So I am writing potential difference below this. इसके नीचे मैं क्या लिखूंगा? If I'm writing something here, that is potential difference. All right. And then I'm going to write the charge in this region. Tell me what is the potential difference here? So V minus 0. That means V. And I'll be using a square like this. That means that is the potential difference. So potential difference across this is V. Tell me which is having higher potential bacha out of these two plates? V is having higher potential because this is what? Greater. Matlab this will be positive, this will be negative. So I'm going to get C into V as the charge on these faces. But which will get positive, which will get negative? The one which is having higher potential will get positive charge. The one which is having lower potential will get negative charge. So this is having higher potential. So this will get a charge of CV and this will get a charge of minus. All right, bacha log. Guys, please click yes if you have understood this point. At least these two. Click yes if you have understood these two charges. What are those things that you should understand? First, what will be the charge? C into V. That V is the potential difference. Second, which one of the faces will get positive charge? The one which is having higher potential will get positive charge. The one which is having lower potential will get negative charge. That is pakka done. So this is having V potential, this is having zero potential. V is greater than zero, so this is having higher potential, so this will get positive sign. This is having lower potential, so this face will get negative sign. Now we have to deal up with these faces. कैसे निकालेंगे? तो this is going to have zero, that is तो already decided. Now to get the value of charges on these faces, I should get the value of x. वो कैसे निकालें? You suggest me, how should I get the value of x or the potential of these plates? बताओ बच्चा लोग, how should I get the value of x? जल्दी बताइए. No new concept will be used. X is equal to V. Rohin is illa re na. Yeah, one is correct. Charge conservation. Very good बच्चा. क्या है? Charge conservation. जो भी चार्ज है, किस पे चार्ज कंजर्वेशन लगाते हैं? An isolated system पे, isolated plates पे. Where should I use that charge conservation? Can I say in this circuit there are three plates? There are three plates which can be considered as an isolated system because they are not connected with anything but each other. They have been connected with each other, but they have not been connected with anything. That means whatever the charge they were having initially, the same charge will stay on them even if you connect a battery. It doesn't matter, right? देखो तो क्या है? Can I say 1, 2 and 3? These plates are connected to each other. Are they connected to any other plates? No. So will there be any charge that will transferred to this? No. Will there be any charge that will be released from this? No. Yeah, there might be charge distribution that can occur. Redistribution of charges can occur. But the net charge on this system will remain same. It might happen that some 2q charge is moved from here to here. But net charge will be plus 2q minus 2q like this. All right, यही होगा. तो क्या करेंगे बताइए बच्चा लोग जल्दी से. तो I will assume these three plates as an isolated system. क्या assume करेंगे? Those three plates as an isolated system. So yellow colored और ऐसा लिखता हूं, plates under और plates in yellow colored dotted lines will have net charge or net will have total charge 0. It will have 0 charge even after connecting this circuit with a battery. So initially क्या था बच्चा लोग? 0 चार्ज में था, राइट? अरे तू ये डाउनलोड करेगा ना तो उसमें समझ में आ जाएगा. डोंट वरी. तेरे पास येलो पेन नहीं, मेरे पास भी नहीं है येलो पेन, मेरे पास व्हाइट कलर का पेंसिल है. देखो, आई कैन राइट विद एन येलो कलर. ठीक है, डोंट वरी. तो देखिए, तो क्या करेंगे? दे वर हैविंग इनिशियली टोटल चार्ज 0, तो 0 शुड बी इक्वल टू what will be the charge that will come on it? इस पे कितना चार्ज आएगा? तो मैं क्या अज्यूम कर रहा हूं? ऐसा अज्यूम, मुझे नहीं पता what is the value of x. I don't know what is the value of x. So what I'm going to assume that all of them are positive charges. मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया, क्या परेशानी? So if you're assuming all of them are having positive charge, that means you're assuming that x is greater than v. However, that will not be the case. I'm assuming x is greater than v. So this will be positive, this will be positive, this will be positive. So if this is having q1 charge, this is having q2 charge, this is having q3 charge, I'll say q1 plus q2 plus q3 must be laddu. That's it. है ना? देखो निकालता हूं कैसे. Tell me what is the charge that will appear on this plate. Again same formula, that is potential difference across the capacitor into capacitance. What is the potential difference? X minus 0. क्या है बच्चा लोग? X minus 0. So what is the charge on the positive plate of the capacitor? So x minus 0 into c. So I'll write. Let me write it now. पहले q1 q2 लिख. This is the first time I'm solving this. So I'm writing q1 Q2 and Q3. So I'm going to write it here, should be equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now I'll get the value of Q1, Q2, Q3 individually, so that you will refer it now. So Q1 will be written as X minus 0 into capacitance, that is C. So let us write it down. So X minus 0 into C. What is the value of Q2? देखिए जरा, what is the value of Q2? तो X minus V. Now you might say that sir, why did you consider X minus V? Why not V minus X? You can consider that. But मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं? देखो, did I consider a negative sign here? No. मतलब मैंने क्या बोला है कि सारे प्लेट्स पे पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं. That means this plate has to have this point has to have higher potential. मैंने assume किया है. If this will be wrong, answers will come in the same way. Negative sign आ जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक है, तो क्या बोला, x का वैल्यू यहां पे लिया हमने, कुछ पॉजिटिव आना है, तो क्या बोलेंगे, x माइनस v इंटू सी विल बी Q2. तो x माइनस v इंटू सी. ऑलराइट, प्लस व्हाट इज Q3 बच्चा? What is the charge Q3 that will appear on this? So x minus 0. This point is 0. So this is also having 0. So x minus 0 into again C. This must be 0. Now from here I'll get the value of x. So x का value क्या मिलेगा? x plus x is equal to v. So x is equal to v by 3. Now I know the value of x. कितना है? v by 3. तो now I'll quote it here. v by 3. और क्या है बच्चा लोग, इसी को कॉपी करता हूं मैं. Copy it and paste it here. Now tell me, what is the potential difference across these two plates? V minus v by 3. That is 2v by 3. So 2v by 3. I'll use a box. ठीक है? What is the potential difference between these two plates? V by 3 minus 0. V by 3. What is the potential difference between these two? Again V by 3. Now tell me, first plate, which is having higher potential? V by 3 or V? So which is having higher potential? This is having higher potential. So this will be positive, this will be negative. Now tell me the charge. C into potential difference. So C into potential difference 2V by 3. So minus 2CV by 3 plus 2CV by 3. Alright. Let us move to third plate. Potential difference across this is V by 3. This is 0. This is V by 3. Which is having higher potential? This is having higher potential. So this will be positive, this will be negative. C into V by 3. तो आंसर यहां पे क्या मिलेगा? प्लस CV by 3 minus CV by 3. All right. Let us move on to this phases. So this is V by 3. This is 0. So this will have positive. This will have negative charge. Again, potential difference is V by 3. Capacity is C. So charges will be CV by 3 minus CV by 3. These are the answers. Now in JEE or in any of the competitive, in NEET एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, बताता हूं क्या पूछा था. Few of you have all, like few of you, those who are attending this class but preparing for NEET, you always complain about this. Sir, NEET का अलग से कराओ sir. But I'll tell you a very simple reason. बहुत सारा common चीज है NEET में. The same type of question has been asked, and there only 4 capacitors, or I think 4 capacitors were there. 4 plates were there. They have asked what is the कुछ arrangement ऐसा किया हुआ था. What is the charge that will appear on one of the plates? Same type of question has been asked. But JEE में थोड़ा ऐसा question पूछ सकता है. Alright बच्चा लोग, तो समझ में आया? If I ask you what is the charge that will appear on the third plate, that means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Tell me what is the charge that will appear on the third plate? Come on guys, give me the answer. What is the charge that will appear on the third plate? Yes, Ketaki, correct. Minus CV plus minus CV by 3. मतलब अरे 10 CV by 9, गौरी क्या हो गया? Third plate is this one. तो minus CV by 3. तो minus 4 CV by 3. Not plus, minus 4 CV by 3. You have to add these two, na? So this is the third plate. The above face is having minus CV. The lower face is having minus CV by 3. So add these two charges. That is the net charge on this plate. All right, bacha log. Guys, let me know if you have understood this. I know this is thoda lengthy, but when you know the approach, okay, when you know the approach, when you understand this, you can solve it. What are the concepts that we have used here? First, what are the concepts we have used? To find out the C equivalent. Why do we need that? If they ask what is the charge that will appear on each one of them, to uske liye, theek hai? Secondly, you should be able to draw this in a simpler circuitry diagram. All right, ye karna hoga. Second, aur uske baad aage, third point. To get the charge on each faces of a capacitor, you should know the potential difference. In this diagram, I don't know the value of X. If I know the value of X, I will get the potential difference. If I know the potential difference, I'll get the charges on each faces. To get the value of X, here I have to use the charge conservation. Why? Because these three plates are isolated plates. They are not connected to anything but each other. That means whatever the charge they were having initially, the same charge will reside on them finally. Yeah, there might be some charge distribution. There might be some charge distribution, redistribution among it. But the total charge on that system will remain constant. Initially it was having 0. So finally also total charge on this system will be 0. Right? So initially 0 tha, to finally kya maine mala, this plate is having charge Q1, this plate is having charge Q2, this plate is having charge Q3. So what is the total charge? So Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. So the summation of all these three charges must be 0. If you want to verify it, put the value of X here. Kya mila X ka value? V by 3, right? Kya mila bacha? What is the value of V by, what is the value of X? V by 3. कोई meaning नहीं है, बस पढ़ाना था मेरे को, बताना था और कुछ नहीं. So this is X, that is V by 3. Now tell me which is having higher potential out of these two? This one, right? So this Q1 will be equal to, just for the verification, Q1 is equal to, बताओ बच्चा लोग, Q1 क्या हो जाएगा? Q1 will be CV by 3. Tell me what is the value of Q2 here? What is the value of Q2? This is V by 3, which is having higher potential. This is having higher potential. So this plate will have positive charge. This plate will have negative charge. What will be the value? Minus C into, or 2CV by 3, minus C into 2V by 3. Because this is having V by 3, this is having V. So difference will be 2V by 3. So Q2 will be equal to minus 2CV by 3. Tell me what is the value of Q3? So this is 0, this is V by 3. So this will be positive, this will be negative. So Q3 will be equal to positive CV by 3. Now add these three. Add karo तीनों को. CV by 3 plus CV by 3, 2CV by 3 minus 2CV by 3, 0. Did we get that? समझ में आया बच्चा लोग? So finally they got some individual charges, but the total charge on this system comprising of these three plates will be 0 because initially they were not having any charge. All right? अतः करेंगे वो सिर्फ कुछ नहीं है, मैंने सिर्फ Q1, Q2, Q3 का वैल्यू पुट किया है. That's it. Q1 क्या है? Charge on this plate. All right? Q1 is charge on this plate. So charge on this plate will be equal to C into potential difference across this. So X minus 0 into C. Q2 is the charge on this plate. So X minus V into C is Q2. Q3, X minus 0 into C. That is what you have done. Now for practice, let us get the answer for this question, so that you should be able to answer it. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से इसका आंसर करो. 5 प्लेट से 4 प्लेट कर दिया for the simplification. Get me the answer for charge on each faces. There will be 8 faces. So you know the charge on 2 faces, right? This will have laddu, this will have laddu. Find out what is the charge on this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Try to answer it. First, draw the circuit. Then try to get whether do you know the potential differences or not. Potential difference across capacitors or not. चलो बच्चा लोग जल्दी से आंसर करो. This is B ray. This is B. इधर बैटरी लगा है ना, दिस इज बी. Or how does it matter whether I haven't mentioned about A or B? Even if I don't give A or B, it doesn't matter. Potential difference is given to you, na? Acha, in last question, sorry for this, last question, few of you were asking, sir, what is the significance of C equivalent? देखो बताता हूँ क्या significance है. What is the value of C equivalent, बच्चा? 5C by 3. So what is the total charge that this battery will provide? Write the answer in the chat. The answer will be 5 CV by 3. That means the battery must provide 5 CV by 3. If you know this, you can verify whether you have got the correct answer or not. देखो कैसे. Battery is connected to this plate. So this plate must got 5 CV by 3 as the answer. Total charge on this plate must be 5 CV by 3. Check out whether you are getting it or not. Second plate must get 5 CV by 3. This is the second plate. क्या मिला? 2 CV by 3 CV. Add करो. मिला कि नहीं मिला? समझ में आया बच्चा लोग? तो ये वेरिफिकेशन के लिए भी जरूरी होता है. ऑलराइट, चलो बहुत बढ़िया. आगे देखो. चलो अब इसको सॉल्व करके दिखाओ इसको. Now quote the answer for this question. Come on guys, I'm telling you, if you're not going to practice it, if you are still waiting for me, gone case. भूल जाओ. Capacitance is going to haunt you. ठीक है? Physics will haunt you if you don't practice, if you don't attempt by yourself. Okay, again Pratish has answered total charge is 2 CV by 3. That means according to you the C equivalent is 2C. Okay, Gauri ने भी 2 CV by 3 total charge बोला है. ठीक है? Now forget about that. Just tell me what are the charges that will come on each of the faces. You can consider this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I need 8 charges. 0, 0. Same question. Initially all the plates were neutral. And then a battery has been connected across second and fourth plate. Find out the charge that will appear on each faces. Okay, Sonali has answered. Very good. But फिर से तुम्हारा पिछले बार की तरह ही आंसर है. Okay, Atharva has answered. Okay, he's having exactly the same question answer. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. देखते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ गड़बड़ है. We'll see. देखेंगे. What is the value of X? If I consider this is X, this is V, this is Laddu, this one is X, चलो बताओ जल्दी से. Okay, V by 2, पवित्रा V by 3. Okay, सबका अलग. 2V तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. अथर्व, नो, 2V इज नॉट पॉसिबल. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. अब चलो आंसर करता हूं. ठीक है, टाइम हो गया अभी. मुझे जल्दी आंसर करना है. ठीक है, देखो तो पहले सर्किट बना लेते हैं. राइट, दिस इज V, दिस इज 0, दिस इज X and V, first one. Second one, V and X. Third one, X and 0. Alright, कहानी खत्म. ये तो सिंपल सी बात है, समझ में आ गया यहाँ सबको. V by 2 भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. इसको तो बिना चार्ज कंजर्वेशन से भी निकाल सकते हो. Just if you remember that particular thing, how potential differences will be, what will the potential difference that will come across the series. So what is the value of V1 and V2? अगर आपको वो चीज याद है तो समझ में आ जाएगा. So this is C, this is C, this is C. I can simplify this like this. 2C and C. So this is V, this is 0, this is X. So tell me, what is the potential difference across this bacha? We know that potential difference is inversely proportional to capacitance. All right. तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? This potential difference is, see, if you are using this charge conservation, that is also true. वही कर देता हूँ, नहीं तो तुम लोग confuse करके फिर मेरा दिमाग खाओगे. First, let me consider that charge distribution only. So this is x. So I'll say x minus v into c plus x minus 0 into c plus x minus v into c will be 0. X minus v into c is charge on this plate. I am conserving charge on this system. These three plates. Okay. So charge on this is x minus v into c. Charge on this is what? Again, x minus v into c. Charge on this plate is x minus 0 into c. Calculate karo. So 3x is equal to 2v. So x is equal to 2v by 3. All right. So put the value here only. Or let me add one page here. I don't want to mess it up with the question. So this is the condition. So x is equal to 2v by 3. Okay. All right. So now let us denote the potential differences. Potential differences. All right. So what is the potential difference across this one? So this is 2v by 3. This is v. So this will have v by 3 as the potential difference. Let me put this in a box. Now, which is having higher potential? This is having higher potential. So this will be positive. This will be negative. Kitna? CV by 3. CV by 3. This is 0. Now, what is the potential difference here? So V, 2V by 3. Again, V by 3. Which is having higher potential? This one is having higher potential. So this is minus. So CV by 3, CV by 3. Now, here potential difference is 2V by 3. So 2V by 3. Let me put this in a box. Now, this is having higher potential, this is having lower potential. So positive, negative. 2 CV by 3 minus 2 CV by 3. This is 0. Got it? They can ask you charge on any of the plate for that matter. किसी भी पूछ सकता है. Guys, click yes if you have understood this concept. I know थोड़ा सा मतलब you have to be careful. You can't just think of answering this in a physics. Sir, this is the answer. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. थोड़ा आपको भेजा का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. All right? चलो. So I think guys this is it आज के लिए. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending the class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and good night. Enjoy Muddy. Bye bye guys. Take care.